In this video, I'm going to show you 3 remote job platforms you can apply for from Nigeria or any other African country you are watching this video from. And the best part is that you don't need to have any special skill. Once you have a device, have access to internet connection, you can be able to read and write in English. You are good to go. Some of these platforms even offer free training to make sure you qualify for the job. The first one is Dreamport. Dreamport is looking for a freelance travel manager and it's completely remote. You can do it from anywhere. And one good thing I love about Dreamport is that before you even start working for them, they are going to train you. So after you pass the training, you start working for them immediately. Wait, let me go to my device and show you how everything look like. So this is how the Dreamport interface look like. So once you come to the website, you are going to see freelance job as an independent travel manager. Dreamport is where opportunity meets effort. Build business, grow your freelance career and earn online from anywhere. So one thing I love about this platform is that they are not just going to leave you alone to apply. They will train you, like they will tell you this is exactly what to do and this is what to do and this is what not to do. So once you come to this place, you can see the apply button at the top, this red one, or join us now. So you can decide to click any one of them. So let's go ahead and click on this join us button. So once we click on this join us, it's going to take us to this page. You are going to see login with Facebook or login with Google. So I prefer using login with Google because that is the easiest one to use. So this particular one, I say login with Google, this one with the Google icon, we are going to click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to bring out all the Google accounts you have. If you have only one Google account, it's going to bring out the Google account. So once it brings everything out, just select the one you want to use. So I want to select this particular one. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to load within second. We bring it to this place. You are going to see you are signing back into your dreamport.me. Click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to take few seconds and it will take you to this application form, as you can see on the screen. So this application form, this place you are going to put your first name, Moses. This place you are going to put let me put CNX. So you put your first name here and your last name. Then this place, country of residence. I'm currently in Nigeria, so I'm going to put in Nigeria. If you are from Ghana, put Ghana. If you are from Kenya, any country you are watching this video from, input your country. So let me type in Nigeria. So before I even type it, the thing come out. So I'm just going to click on Nigeria. Then this place, city of residence. So the city I'm currently in Nigeria. So I'm going to put in Abuja. So you can see Abuja FCT. Yes, I'm going to click on it. So this particular place, you are going to input your phone number. So for my Nigerian audience, so if you take you to this place, if you are starting your phone number, don't start with 081 091, start with 9. Remove the first 0, then input the rest. So once you remove the 0, input the rest here, then you come to this place. See this place, I have read the Dreamport user agreement. Before you click on any of this, make sure to click on this user agreement. This particular one is very important. Click on user agreement. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this place. So make sure to calm down, go through everything, make sure to read everything. It's very important. Don't just accept what you don't know about. So you need to like read it first. So once you read it, you know, okay, I have all these things, I have all these things, I can do all these things that they list here. So I don't want to like start reading everything so that this video will not be too long, because there are other 2 platforms I want to show you in this video. So just calm down, go through everything. So once you see that, oh, this is something I can do, or I have all these things that they listed here, you just go back, then you click on I have read the confirm this one, then confirm this. I confirm that provided information is authentic. So make sure everything is your real thing. So once you click on that, you click on continue. So I've already registered on this platform. One thing about this platform is that, so once you register, you cannot use your phone number again to like open another account. You can only use one phone number. So I've already used my phone number to submit application on this particular platform. So I'm not going to like click on continue to do the rest again. But once you come here, just as long as you can read and understand, so just follow it. Anything they ask, you provide it, and from there you join the training and continue from there. It's very simple. So I cannot start showing you guys how everything is done, because I've already done it before, and I cannot like use my information to apply for it again. But it's very simple. So this is how to go about this. So let's go back to the next platform. Before we continue with the video, my name is CNS, and all I do on this channel is to look for legit ways you and I can use to earn online. If I try them out by myself, I come here and make videos about it. So if you are interested in videos like this and you want to keep seeing more amazing updates from this channel, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I post video, YouTube will show you before other people see it. And to join my Telegram channel, the link is going to be pinned in the comment section of this video. So let's get back to the video. The second one is data annotation. This platform literally pay you to make AI smarter. They pay you to train AI, and the pay is per hour. Wait, let me go to the screen and show you how everything look like. So this is how the second platform look like. Data annotation. You can see get paid to make AI smarter. Work on paid hourly remote project that match your skill. Work whenever and wherever you want, including hundreds of general coding, health, finance, and legal projects, and more. You can see this apply now, but you can see domain experts earn $50 to $100 per hour. Generalists earn $25 to $30 per hour. So once you come to this place, you are going to see apply button at the top. This particular one that is turning black and white, this one. So, and you're also going to see this apply now here. So anyone you want, you can just go ahead and click it. So let's go ahead and click on this particular one. So once we click on it, it's going to take us to this particular page. So once it takes us to this place, you can see build the future of AI, start your application, and complete the starter assessment. So this is how to go ahead. You can see continue with email or continue with Google. So just anyone that you think is the best for you. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. So once I click on continue with Google, I'm going to select my the Google account I want to continue with it. It's going to take me to this place. You see accept terms of service. So I'm going to click on agree to the task or confidential agreement and terms of use. Then click on continue. This continue here, click on it. You are going to click on this your profile. So once you click on your profile, so this place you are going to fill in everything. This place your language, you can see language. So you are going to select English, any language you have. You are going to select your language, fluent, native. So I'm going to select native. This place you are going to include your skill. So any skill you have, you are going to search through everything. If you are a designer, so just go through everything and select your skill. Let me say you are a writer, right? Let's select this writing, right? So once you click on this writing, you can see about you, LinkedIn profile. So you are going to include your LinkedIn profile. You are going to your skill and background. You are going to write everything here. So make sure to go through everything, your name, your last name, your username, everything. So you are going to see everything here. So once you have set everything up here, so once there's any project on this platform that match what you write here, everything, your skill, your language, your everything. So once there's any project that matches your skill, they'll send you an email. Then you click on it and apply for it. So this is how to go about this particular one. It's very simple. So register your account. If there's available project, you are going to see it. And if there's no any available project, click on profile and set up your profile. If there's any project that matches your profile, they'll send them to your email. So that is all about this one. So let's get right into the third project. The third platform is called People. PWE, as you can see on the screen. This platform is where Africans come to look for international remote jobs. So once you come to this place, you are going to see the #1 job board for Nigeria seeking for international remote jobs. So this platform is built for Nigerians, but if you are from other African country, you can still come here and look for international remote job. You must not be from Nigeria before you come here and look for jobs. So once you come to this place, you can see we are the platform where Nigerian professionals discover real remote job they are eligible for, and where global employers hire from a growing pipeline of world-class African talent. So people come here to post job. You can see post job, browse job. People come here to post job, and people come here to look for jobs. So you can see, you can go through the website to like read everything, but I don't want to bore you with everything. So let's go to this place that say browse job. So you can see this browse job here under it here. So you are going to click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this place. So you can see currently there are over 2,252 jobs on this platform. So all you have to do is just calm down and look for something you can do. So you can see it here. So once you are done with this page, you can click on the second page. Once you go through it, click on third. So you can keep going. So out of these 2,000 jobs, you must see something that you know, oh, this is something I can do, right? So look for something that you can do, your skills and everything. So just go through everything. So let me just click on one and show you guys how to go about everything. You can see human resources officer. So let me see, this is something you know you can do. Just click on it. Then you can, our mission, you can read about everything. You can read about everything concerning the job. So once you read everything and you know, oh, this is something I can definitely give it a try, you go back to this place that said apply now, this particular one at the top here. Just click on it. So once you click on it, enter your email or password, and if you don't have account yet, this place that say create an account, click on it. So once you click on it, you can see job seeker or employer. So you are a job seeker, you are looking for job. So this particular one, I'm going to click on it. Then you click on next. Then you just input your details, click on next, register your account and apply for it. So this is how to go about everything. It's very simple. Once you can read and understand all these things, you can start following them step by step. The link to all the three platforms I just show you, which is going to be in the description of this video. So click the link in the description of this video to apply on any of these remote job platform. Click anywhere around here to watch my other video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this post, to join my Telegram channel. The link is going to be pinned in the comment section of this video. So I will see you in my next post.